In this video, I'm going to show you how to share YouTube video on Facebook. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up YouTube app and then right from your homepage you can find a video that you want to share with somebody. And here you can tap at that three dots icon next to that video's name and then select share. That brings you share features. Also, you can open up a video and right here you can easily find share button, and if you tap at that button it shows up the same options. And now from here you can easily find that Facebook icon. If you can't find it here, you may drag this toolbar to the left and then just hit at that icon. Now it asks if I want to open up Facebook app. I'll hit at open and it moves you to create post feature, where here, as you can see at text field, I got the link at that YouTube video. And also I can tap right there at text field and write here something, and once I finished with that I can hit right there at post button to share that post with my followers. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.